Hi Meowcoin team, it's David here at Edinburgh Dog and Cat Home. Thanks so much for all the amazing suggestions for names for our new kittens. I'm here in the main category just now and I want to introduce you to the kittens and the amazing names you've chosen for each of them. So this is Calico. And this is Snowflake. And this is Mana. Hey Mana, can you say hello to your friends at Meowcoin? This little character is Atreyu. Hey Atreyu. Thanks for all your help Meowcoin, we really appreciate it, and I'll keep you updated with what's happening with Calico, Snowflake, Atreyu and Mana.